So hello to all my dear aspirants. Welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. So aspirant, as you all know that the Haryana has announced the government dental exam. Around 81 seats are there, so good opportunity for all of you there to apply, to give the exam and get through the government job, those who want for the government job. So already I have uploaded one video in which I talk about the eligibility, the course and all the important factors associated with this examination. If you have not watched, the link is there in the description box, as well as you can click on the I button given above. So this video I'm going to talk about how to fill form for HPSC dental exam. So aspirant, remember that this exam will cost around 1000 to 250 bucks to all of you. So when you fill any form, take care that you should not lose your money, and at the same time you should give correct information, so no mistake occur or no problem occur when you are going to get the job. No, I have seen many of my students, they fill wrong form, name is wrong, something percentage wrong, they have written the surname wrong and they have not got the job. That's why whenever any exam is there, like NEET, HPSC or GPSC, any exam, I like to show how to fill the form. So please watch it out. Any doubt, you can contact me. Then before starting, have all the details with you, like your personal details, your email ID, your mobile number, your educational qualification, first, second, third, final year with percentage of mark, scan photo and signature. Please have proper latest photo and proper clear signature, a facility to take printout of the application form, and fee slip. You should have printout of both this thing, and online payment facility also. Okay aspirant, and where to fill the form? You can fill the form on this website hpsc.gov.in. and remember, we have the test series and lecture series for the current examination that you can enroll. So aspirant, now we are going to see how you have to fill the application form. So first you have to register yourself, add all your personal details, right, and perfect personal details here. Then when you will generate OTP, you are going to get on your mobile and your email the OTP with the related information, which you have to use for the further completion of form. After that, again you have to open hpsc.gov.in and you have to click on this login icon. After that aspirant, you have to go for the candidate login. You can go for the application number or login ID and password at the CAPTCHA and go for further login. Then aspirant, after you log in, you have to go to application form, and your application form will be generated. In that application form, you have to add your personal details, your application number, advertisement number, date, name, father's name, mother's name, all that you have to add. After that, you have to add your permanent address and qualification detail. Please take care when you enter the qualification detail, and at every page you are going to get this icon save and next. Okay aspirant, then you have to upload few important documents. You have to upload your passport size photo, your scanned signature, your 10th and 12th class mark sheet, and your BDS degree certificate. Okay aspirant, after that what will happen? Your application form will be submitted successfully, but payment is pending. So what you have to do, you have to click on the print button. Okay, and you have to print the application form, you have to sign at 2 to 3 places, and then you have to upload it. Okay, you have to upload your signed application form and you have to make payment. And remember, the fee will be accepted only through net banking, credit card or debit card, and whatever fee you are paying is non-refundable. Then after successful transaction, you're going to get acknowledgement slip that you have to download, which is helpful for you for future communication regarding application form. So that was all aspirant for the application form. Take care, and in doubt you can contact me. The information is there. And from March 3rd, we are starting with the test series and lecture series for the HPSC exam. You can join both or either, which will be helpful for you for examination. And many of you are asking me, sir, is it possible to complete in 3 months? Yes aspirant, we have a success rate in the last of the Gujarat Public Service Commission exam and Kerala PSC. Success rate is there, and you can do it, because this 50 to 55 days is not only for you, it is for all the aspirants who are giving the exam, but planned it properly. Till then, take care. Anything, any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you all.